Hello, good afternoon. We're team number two, and the team is conformed by Alexis, Stephanie, and myself, Daniela. We're going to talk about Kolb's model. So, first, this model was developed by David Allen Kolb. He is an American educational theorist, and he presented the idea that learning is acquired to a an abstract group of context that are acquired through experiences, and these experiences, when they are developed on a good way, this meaning that the student is exposed to these experiences in a direct way, they acquire new language, new knowledge. Uh, Kolb says the learning it's only effective when the student or the learner is exposed directly to the experiences and how they can do something, or how can they can start to um, see how to develop something, how to acquire new knowledge. And this can be achieved only through a cycle of 4 stages. These stages are called the experiential learning cycle. This process is where knowledge is created. They transform their experiences through what they are acquiring, and they transform that into knowledge. The first stage of the cycle, it's called concrete experience, and this happens when the learner is exposed the first time to a new form of knowledge. This In this stage, the learner tries to reinterpret what is the experience they're having into something that they can understand. And the second stage of the cycle is reflective observation of the new experience. In this stage, it's very important that the learner starts to notice what are the things that they could do better, they will do different, or they could have take another path. So it is very important for the learner to start understanding what they are trying to achieve and how they are going to achieve that.
And the third one is the abstract conceptualization. This reflection gives rise to a new idea or a modification of an existing abstract concept. In this one, the learner moves from reflective observation to abstract conceptualization when they begin to classify concepts and from their conclusion or the events that have been occurred. And the abstract the abstract focuses on thinking. The next one, please. And this one, the active experimentation, the learner applies their idea or ideas to the world around them and to see what happens. And this one focuses on doing. And these two would be like a covering learning style. And people with this kind of learning style can solve problems, and they prefer like technical tasks. They can solve problems and make decisions by finding solutions.
Hi, now we're gonna see the Kolb's learning theory that sets out four distinct learning styles. Kolb explains that different people naturally prefer a certain single different learning style. Whatever the thing influences the choice of the style of each people, the learning style preference itself is actually the product of two pairs of variables or two separate choices. that we make, which Kolb presented as lines of an axis, each with conflicting modes to either end. As we can see here, a concrete experience that have feeling, and it's going to the right, that is diverging, that is feeling watch, reflective of observation, watching, that continues to assimilating, thinking watch. After the abstract conceptualization, thinking, converging, that is think and do, and the active experimentation, that is doing, and it's close to accommodating and feel and do. The learning styles descriptions now we're gonna see here. Uh, let's start with diverging. These people are able to look at things from different perspectives. They are sensitive. They prefer to watch rather than do, and they are tending to gather information and use imagination to solve their problems. And then the assimilating, that is watching and thinking. And this learning difference involves consist logical approach, and there are ideas and concepts are more important than people. These people require good, clear explanation rather than a practical opportunity. They excel at like an understanding wide-ranging information and organization in a clear logical format. And now we're gonna see the next one, that is converging. The people with converging learning style can solve problems and will use their learning to find situations to practical issues. They prefer technical tasks and are less concerned with people and interpersonal aspects, and they are like doing and thinking always. Accommodating learning style is like hands on, and relies on intuition, rather than the logic, And these people use other people's analysis and prefer to take a practical, experiential approach. They are attracted to new challenges and experiences and to carrying out the plans. And that's all for our part. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this class and you understand it very well. Thank you.